Well, following the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade, California's Attorney General issued guidance on abortion rights and protections under state law. 23 ABC's Brianna Polk spoke to Attorney General Rob Bonta today and shares an in-depth look at what people can do if their abortion rights are denied here in California.
California Attorney General Rob Bonta says there are 8 laws in place protecting reproductive freedom, including the right to safe and legal abortion. And he advises anyone whose rights are violated to seek immediate support.
If their rights are being denied, they can reach out to local law enforcement or our office, who can intervene on their behalf to make sure they're not being discriminated against, making sure that their rights are not being violated, and we can make sure that their rights are vindicated through our efforts or through local law enforcement.
Attorney General Bonta says earlier this week there was a situation where complying with the law didn't seem to be enough. He tells 23 ABC that a 10-year-old girl from Ohio who was a victim of rape saw an early first-term abortion in the state of Indiana, where it is fully legal to get an abortion. Bonta adds following the abortion, the medical provider is being investigated by the Indiana State Attorney General.
While California is a very strong reproductive freedom state, we're very aware of the fact that others are not. With no basis, she did all her reporting. She was fully compliant with the law. It appears to be an act of intimidation. And this is a 10-year-old girl who was raped. Again, this is coming from a state AG who has decided to focus on a provider who fully complied with the law in performing this abortion.
In Bakersfield, Brianna Polk, 23 ABC News, connecting you.
Now in D.C., the Democratic-led House passed 2 bills earlier today aimed at protecting access to abortion at the federal level. It comes in the wake of the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, taking away the constitutional right to an abortion. The first bill approved was the Women's Health Protection Act. It's aimed at preserving access to abortion nationwide at the federal level. The other was the Ensuring Access to Abortion Act. It's intended to protect the right to travel to seek access to abortion and would ban anyone from restricting or hindering a woman's ability to cross state lines to get an abortion in a state where it's legal. The bills are on track to run into a wall in the Senate, where there's not enough support for either to overcome the filibuster's 60-vote threshold.